U.S. Steel, leading American steel innovation through premium products and industrial excellence. Introduction. United States Steel Corporation, U.S. Steel, is one of the most recognized and influential steel manufacturers in the world. Since its establishment in 1901, the company has played a central role in shaping America's industrial development by supplying high-quality steel products for infrastructure, automotive manufacturing, energy projects, construction, transportation, and advanced industrial applications. With more than a century of experience, U.S. Steel has evolved from a traditional steel producer into a technologically advanced manufacturing company focused on innovation, sustainability, and customer-driven solutions. Through its extensive production network and commitment to continuous improvement, U.S. Steel remains a trusted partner for some of the world's largest industrial companies. This article explores the company's core business activities, major product categories, and the competitive advantages that make U.S. Steel a leader in the global steel industry. Company overview. Headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, U.S. Steel operates an integrated manufacturing system that combines traditional blast furnace operations with modern electric arc furnace technology. The company's strategic investments in advanced steelmaking facilities have enabled it to improve efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and deliver premium steel products to a diverse customer base. Today, U.S. Steel serves customers across North America and international markets, supporting industries that require high-performance materials capable of meeting demanding quality and safety standards. Major product categories. One of U.S. Steel's greatest strengths is its diverse product portfolio. The company manufactures a wide range of steel products designed for various industrial applications. 1. Flat-rolled steel products. Flat-rolled steel represents one of the company's largest and most important product segments. These products are manufactured by rolling steel into thin sheets and coils that can be further processed for numerous applications. Key flat-rolled products include hot-rolled steel, cold-rolled steel, galvanized steel, electrogalvanized steel, tin mill products, advanced high-strength steel. Flat-rolled steel is widely used in automotive manufacturing, construction projects, household appliances, industrial machinery, transportation equipment. The company's ability to produce high-quality flat-rolled steel has made it a preferred supplier for major automotive manufacturers throughout North America. 2. Advanced high-strength steel, AHSS. Advanced high-strength steel is among U.S. Steel's most innovative product categories. Modern vehicle manufacturers face increasing pressure to improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and enhance safety. AHSS addresses these challenges by offering exceptional strength while reducing overall vehicle weight. Benefits of AHSS include improved crash resistance, enhanced passenger safety, reduced vehicle weight, better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased structural performance. As electric vehicle production continues to expand, demand for advanced steel solutions is expected to grow significantly, positioning U.S. Steel as a key supplier to the future automotive market. 3. Galvanized steel products. Galvanized steel products are coated with zinc to provide superior corrosion resistance. These products are commonly used in environments where steel is exposed to moisture, chemicals, or harsh weather conditions. Applications include building construction, roofing systems, automotive components, agricultural equipment, infrastructure projects. U.S. Steel's galvanized products offer long service life and reduced maintenance requirements, making them highly attractive for large-scale industrial projects. 4. Tubular steel products. Tubular products form another critical segment of the company's portfolio. These products are specifically engineered for energy-related applications and include seamless pipe, Welded pipe. Oil country tubular goods, OCTG. Line pipe. Mechanical tubing. The energy sector relies heavily on these products for oil drilling, natural gas extraction, pipeline transportation, industrial processing facilities. U.S. Steel's tubular products are known for their durability, strength, and ability to perform under extreme operating conditions. 5. Electrical steel. Electrical steel is a specialized product used in power generation and electrical equipment. These materials are essential for manufacturing. Electric motors, power transformers, generators, renewable energy systems. As global demand for electricity and renewable energy continues to increase, electrical steel has become an increasingly important product category for advanced industrial development. 6. Tin mill products. Tin mill products consist of steel sheets coated with tin or chromium. These materials are primarily used for packaging applications such as food containers, beverage cans, aerosol containers, industrial packaging. The products provide excellent corrosion resistance and help preserve product quality during storage and transportation. Key industries served. U.S. Steel supplies products to numerous industries that form the backbone of the modern economy. Automotive industry. The automotive sector is one of the company's largest customer segments. Major automakers depend on U.S. Steel for body panels, structural components, chassis systems, safety reinforcements, electric vehicle platforms. The company's advanced steel technologies help manufacturers achieve both performance and sustainability objectives. Construction industry. Steel remains one of the most important materials in modern construction. U.S. Steel products are used in commercial buildings, residential developments, bridges, airports, stadiums, industrial facilities. The durability and strength of steel make it indispensable for large-scale infrastructure projects. Energy sector. Energy companies require highly reliable materials capable of operating in demanding environments. U.S. Steel supports oil and gas production, pipeline systems, renewable energy projects, power generation facilities. Its tubular and specialty steel products provide the performance required for critical energy infrastructure. Competitive advantages of U.S. Steel. Several factors distinguish U.S. Steel from other steel manufacturers. Strong brand legacy. With more than 120 years of industrial leadership, U.S. Steel enjoys one of the strongest reputations in the global steel industry. Its long history reflects reliability, expertise, and manufacturing excellence. Advanced manufacturing technology. The company has invested heavily in modern steelmaking technologies. These investments include artificial intelligence, automation systems, smart manufacturing platforms, predictive maintenance technologies, advanced process controls. Such technologies improve product quality while reducing operational costs. Big River Steel acquisition. One of the company's most transformative investments has been the development of Big River Steel. TA